Couples Court with the Cutlers.
This is the case of Matthews versus Payton. You all have been dating for about 2 years, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you all are from Cleveland, Ohio.
Yes, sir.
All right. And Ms. Matthews, why have you come to Couples Court today?
Well, Your Honor, I'm here today to see if my boyfriend of 2.5 years is cheating with my sister.
I'm sorry, with your sister?
My little sister, correction.
Mr. Payton, you're denying
Yes.
that you have been intimate with her sister?
Yes.
Okay, you deny that?
Yes.
All right.
Miss Matthews, why do you believe that he's involved with your sister?
He's a cheater. He's a liar.
I cheated one time, Your Honor.
Okay.
But there's lies, stories that's not matching up. A lot of things that's
It's a lie. She has
taking me
no
to
proof.
believe that he's cheating with her.
She has no proof, but she's constantly accusing me of sleeping with her sister or trying to hit on other girls, or she's just very insecure.
Why do you think that she thinks you've been with her sister?
She's crazy. Her and her sister both are obsessed with me.
When I hear obsessed, I'm thinking somebody who's just like, I gotta have him.
Yes.
Pretty much.
She
Stalking
wants
my
you.
Facebook page, following me around town, doing all types of stuff. I used to go around the family all the time when we first started dating. So I think it was Labor Day of last year, and I was over there. Her sister's making passes at me. She's asking me, oh, my sister really your type? And she keep asking me stuff like this. And right after that is when she started accusing me, so.
So did you rebuff?
No.
Did you tell her, I don't want you, I'm not interested in you?
Yeah, definitely. I played it off because as a guy, I know when a woman is flirting with me.
So if you
Doing
find
it
out
every
your
time?
sister is in fact involved with him,
Yes, Your Honor.
what will happen?
There's a lot on the line. He has to go. He lived with me. He has to go immediately.
And what happens with you and your sister? I mean,
I'm cutting her off, too. The relationship is over.
okay. So this is serious.
Very serious.
Now, Mr. Payton, you believe she's just being paranoid, right?
Definitely.
Well, we know that the reason you're here is because you were a couple at one point and you were happy.
Yes, at one point, correct.
All right. Can you tell me about the happy days so we can understand how you even got together?
So last Sweetest Day, he surprised me, at my job with edible arrangement, pink roses, which is my favorite, teddy bears, just a lot of things. And we went on camping trips, the year before that. We had an excellent time.
Tell me about how you met her and what that looked like.
We met through a mutual friend, and our first date was like across the street to a park. It was in the area. We just kind of sat there and talked, got to know each other for a while. I was going through some stuff at the moment, so she was there. She was there to comfort me. We kind of just went from there.
The same park that he took the girl he cheated with me on, too. Yeah.
So this is how you lost the trust,
This
and now
was
you
2
believe.
weeks
Yeah.
for us dating. We were talking for 2 weeks when it
Okay.
happened with the other girl. I was dating the other girl first, and it was kind of ending. We were just having sex.
How did you find out about the other girl?
I heard him on the phone in the bathroom.
Okay.
How our house is the hallway. It's the bedroom. Then there's the bathroom, and you walk through, it's the kitchen. I was in the kitchen. So the bathroom is not even, 2 steps away from the kitchen.
And so what do? You hear him talking, do you go over by the bathroom to listen?
Yes, ear on, on my tippy toes, yes.
And what was he saying? What did you hear him saying?
He was saying, baby, I miss you, and
That's a
I'm
lie.
just so
I was on.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna give you a chance to
going
respond.
through this, and I just want us to work out, and I don't even want to be here for real.
So this is sort of like the Usher song, I'm leaving the one I love to be with you, or whatever that
Or
song was.
confessions, he was doing the confession.
Oh, he was doing confession. That works too.
What else did he do to lose your trust?
He would leave, stay out for 2 nights, 3 nights. I won't hear from him. He won't answer the phone.
Okay, is this true? You go and stay away 2 or 3 nights?
Yes.
Who are you staying with?
My mom or whoever. It's just to get away from her. She really gets under my
To get away
skin.
from me to cheat. Because you can't cheat while you with me, while you here.
This is what she does every day, all day. She accuses me of cheating every day, all day.
I'm going to tell you what I did, and he doesn't even know.
Okay.
He was asleep. Now, his phone has, the fingerprint.
Right.
So he sleeps, so, I'll put his fingerprint up to the phone. And I found butt pictures, naked pictures.
And the other pictures, none of those were you?
No, it was not.
Okay, so he's asleep. I want to make sure I got this picture. He's asleep, you sleep. All right. And you just slip his hand over and do this.
Yes.
Man, you sleeping for real.
He was asleep.
You couldn't move my body part and me not wake
But
up.
his
That's what I'm
phone
saying. She
charger
knows.
is right next to him. This is his body. This is his phone. So it wasn't hard to put his finger over and press it on the thing.
That's impressive.
Well,
I'm blown away. I'm impressed.
Mr. Payton, did you have butt pictures in your phone?
No, I didn't, Your Honor.
Okay, now butt pictures are pretty much self-explanatory, so it's not something she would mistake for something else.
Mind you, there were no
She's
undies on the butt.
delusional. She's
Okay.
delusional. She's very
Ms. Matthews, did you bring any evidence of this?
No, I did not. Of course, he's
doesn't
going
have
to
it.
All right,
delete.
you don't have any of them with you?
No, I don't have no pictures.
Okay, because I was about to say you weren't gonna
No.
look at that anyway.
Well, I'm trying to get to the bottom, no
It's a
pun
court-
intended, of this matter.
It's a court of law. I would have looked for you because I love you that way.
Okay. What specific proof do you have that he is sleeping with your sister?
Like, he took her to the store. The store is like 3 minutes from my house. They were gone for 2 hours.
It was,
I say, where have you guys been? They went to go get a pair of black pants.
Your Honor, that's another
I say,
thing.
where
She's
are you?
Very exaggerated.
He say, oh,
It
we
was
stopped to
not
get
2
something to
hours.
eat.
It was
So I
20
said,
minutes.
where's
How
the
does
food?
20 minutes turn into 2 hours.
Where's the food? There's no food. There's no receipts.
Do you remember this particular trip she was talking about?
Yes,
Where you
I remember the trip. It was late at night. It was like 11:30. Her sister was walking alone. I volunteered to walk with her. We was gone for like 20 minutes. That's it.
Your Honor, you can tell the tension. You can tell there's something wrong when we're all in the room together. I turn my head and they staring at each other. Like, basically, that's what they doing. It's just a lot.
So as a woman, you are feeling that
Yes,
there's
a woman's
something going
intuition
on.
is never wrong.
There's something in their body language is
It's
sitting
something
up
going.
player.
They had to do kiss something. It's just so crazy.
Okay.
And another incident is when I was at work. I called Dre. I said, Dre, what are you doing? He said, I'm at home, getting dressed, about to get ready for work. I said, okay, well, let me call Alicia because she was getting ready to take the kids to daycare for me. So
Alicia's your sister,
yes.
right? Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. So I called Alicia. I said, Alicia, what you doing? What the kids doing? You getting them dressed? And then I throw in, so where's Dre? What he doing? Oh, Dre isn't here. He left about 45 minutes ago to head out for work. Remind you, the phone calls were not even 3 minutes apart.
So she's at your house and
They're
he's
both
at
at
your
my
house.
house, yes.
And she's telling you he's gone.
Yes, and
there's no reason for her to tell you that.
There's no reason. Why are you telling me he's gone?
And
'Cause she
he's
doesn't
saying,
know
I'm
I
there
can talk to
dressing.
him. He's telling me I'm getting dressed, ready to go to work.
Mr.
Okay.
Payton, what was going on?
Nothing. I was leaving out when I told her I was. I think her sister was lying to her.
Do you deny having an affair with her sister?
Yes, I deny it.
Do you deny having an affair with someone right now, someone other than her sister?
Yes.
Okay, so you have not been involved with anyone other than Ms. Matthews.
Right.
I heard him while he was in the bathroom. So you had to hear her on the phone with me. So you heard the conversation. Y'all both was just lying together, that's all. So don't make it seem like you wasn't at home when you really was. And you just stuttered and said, oh, I was gone, but how was you gone? When you at the house, you wasn't gone, you was there.
In addition to this love suit, you have a lawsuit. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, tell me about that.
I actually bought him 2 back tires and a battery for his car.
All
The
right.
car that he's out cheating in. And I want my money back.
All right.
If I found out he's cheating, everything that he has in my house is going up in flames.
So let me make sure I got this straight. You bought him 2 tires and a battery, for his car.
Yes.
Do you have any evidence of that?
I have the receipt.
All right, Ron, would you get that for us, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Thank you so much. So you spent $322.50. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you don't think it's fair for him to ride around in a car that you paid money for while he's riding your sister?
Right. Hello? Okay.
Is that,
Okay.
Mr. Payton, did she buy these things for you?
Yes, but it was with my credit card, so.
Can you look at the
What?
bottom? Because where we live, they make you sign when you show a credit card.
Well, it says it was paid with check number 0151 for Neek Matthews.
Okay, who else is that?
Even if so, I take her anywhere she need to go, her and her kids, that's the least she can do.
Okay, so you believe the least she can do is
That's the
pay
least
for
she
the
can-
tires,
pay for
a
tires.
battery
You live
because
in
you
my
drive her
house,
around.
rent free.
We're gonna rule on this lawsuit in a moment. But we're gonna go back to the love suit.
Yeah, we've got to get to the bottom of this love suit.
We sure do.
Now, you claim that he is sleeping with your sister. You
Yes,
claim
Yeah, I'm not.
that you're not. The court has tracked down Miss Matthews' sister.
Okay.
Ron, would you please escort Miss
Yes,
Matthews'
Your
sister
Let's
into the
go,
courtroom?
Ryan.
We're gonna go up, have a seat right next to the judges up here.
Absolutely.
Hi.
Hello, how are you? You are Miss Alicia Simon, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And you are the sister of Miss Fanique Matthews?
Yes.
Right. Are you and your sister pretty close?
Absolutely. We've been close.
You love your sister?
Dearly.
Do you think Mr. Payton is good for your sister?
No.
And why is that?
Well, it's been many incidents that I've seen him crossing lines in their relationship. One time I was at a club,
Okay.
in which I seen him at, dancing on a girl or with a girl. She was grinding on him and everything. Another incident has been encountered with me. I was outside at the end of the parking lot, well, out of the driveway, and he came past and grabbed my butt. I was out there for a smoke.
Your Honor, that's a lie.
I was out there
That's
for a
lie,
smoke,
Your
seeing
Honor.
that we had kids in the backyard playing, so I did not want to be disrespectful to any of my younger family members.
So wait a minute, let me make sure I heard you correctly.
Okay.
You're at a family gathering at
Yes.
Labor Day, like a Labor Day picnic,
Absolutely.
and he comes by and grabs your butt?
Yes, Your Honor, not just a soft, accidental grab. It was like a full-blown, intentional grab, Your Honor.
Like a squeeze?
That's a lie,
Yes.
Your Honor.
At that
I went
moment,
straight-
what did you do?
I went straight to the back and told my sister, tried to inform my sister.
You didn't knock him into the next week?
No, we had kids, and
Okay.
it was around my family. I just all about respect for me, Your Honor.
Okay, so your sister says that you have been intimate with Mr. Payton.
That's absolutely false.
So you have not had
Never.
any.
Never.
All right. I have a question for you, Miss Matthew. Your sister says she told you on Labor Day.
I'm just now hearing this.
You have never heard this before, that he touched her on the butt?
Or about the club.
Neither one of these.
Mr. Payton, were you at the club?
Yes.
Was there a woman dancing with you?
No.
Were you dancing at the
No,
club?
I don't dance. I sit at the bar with my friends, have
He
drinks.
don't look like a dancer. I gotta be honest with you.
In order to get to the bottom of this, the court has engaged the services of licensed private investigator Todd Redding. Ron, would you please escort Mr. Redding into the courtroom?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Redding, how are you today?
I'm fine, judges. How are you?
Doing good, doing
Thank
good.
you.
Mr. Redding, what type of investigative tools do you use to catch cheating spouses?
I use a number of tools: GPS vehicle tracking, polygraph examination, cell phone forensics, and surveillance, of course.
Well, in today's case, Miss Matthews is accusing her boyfriend of sleeping with her sister. You had Mr. Payton meet with a certified polygraph examiner, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you all ready for the results?
I am.
All right, Mr. Payton was asked if he ever had sexual intercourse with his girlfriend's sister, Alicia. What was his response to that question?
His response was no.
What did the polygraph show?
There was not a significant response to the question, which indicates there was no deception.
Mr. Payton, how are you feeling?
Pretty good. I already knew it.
Miss Matthews?
Just keep them coming. Come on.
All right.
Keep them coming.
Mr. Payton was asked if he ever had sexual contact with his girlfriend's sister, Alicia. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
What was his response?
His response again was no.
What did the polygraph reveal?
There was not a significant response to the question, which is an indication that there was no deception.
Told you.
So to be clear, it showed that he was telling the truth.
That's correct, Your Honor.
I have one more question. Mr. Payton was asked if he ever made sexual advances to his girlfriend's sister, Alicia. What was his response to that question?
Once again, his response was no.
What did the polygraph show?
The lie detector examination determined that he was being truthful.
Told you.
Ms. Matthews, you came to court to get some answers. You've gotten those answers.
Yes.
How do you feel?
It's a monkey off my back. But what can you expect with a man who always cheated in the past?
You should feel stupid.
You're going. I don't
should
feel
feel very
stupid.
stupid.
I don't
Okay.
feel
You
stupid
should.
because at the end of the day, you're still a cheater because you
should.
cheated in the past. So I don't feel.
All right,
Well,
hold up.
here's the thing. You said he's a cheater, he cheated in the past. You used a key phrase in what you said, in the past. You need to leave it in the past.
Do you love him?
Yes, of course.
Okay, then you need to stop acting like a crazy lady and trailing him around. Miss Matthews, you came with the suit for the tires
Yes.
and the battery. I'm going to give you an opportunity to dismiss your suit. Are you willing to do that before
Yes.
we rule? All
Your
right.
Honor.
As much as we enjoyed helping you solve your problem, resolve your differences, we don't want to see you back here in couples court.
This is over. As soon as I get home, I'm packing my stuff. I don't ever want to talk to her again. It's over. She's constantly accusing me of sleeping with her sister. I'm all the way done.
No.
Yep.
He don't have nowhere to go.
Mr. Payton, is that really what you want? You want to be done?
Yes.
Well, we have resources with this court to help you move forward together or separately, so you can do it in a positive way. We always say in this court, do not cheat yourself out of an opportunity to have a happy life and happy relationships. This court's adjourned.